Mr. Narin,
Hi, yeah.
can you hear me?
Come again?
Okay. Can we start now?
Yes,
I'm sorry
can,
for
can.
it's because uh we got really nervous. Uh, okay. Okay. We start now. Okay.
Yes, can. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah. Yeah. Clear,
Okay.
sir. Yeah. Okay. First thing first, me and my group, we would like to express my gratitude towards our special guest, Mr. Nari, the manager of MM Cineplex, for joining us tonight. And we are elated to have Mr. Narin for this short interview regarding the information system that has been used by the company in order to complete our applied information system assignment. Please welcome Mr. Narin. Can you introduce about yourself, your position,
Yeah.
and also your age?
Okay. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Okay, my name is Naren Muniswaran Panchasaram, and I'm 34. And currently, I'm working at MMC Cineplexes Prangin Mall, Penang, as a cinema manager. And my experience working as a manager, I think this year is 12, going to be 12 years. And I think that anything else?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
My next question is, what is the name of the information system being used by the MM Cineplex?
Okay, the name of the information system we are using at Cineplexes is Positive. It's called as a Positive, and the
Okay.
software are from Poland, the state
Oh,
of
I
Poland,
see.
because we are not using a Malaysian software, and we are using Poland software.
Okay. So, the company just use one system, sir, or there is other system?
Uh, we are only using one system, the Positive
Okay.
system.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Next question is, why the company choose the aforementioned system?
Okay, um, the first thing is the cost of the system, because it's much more cheaper than Malaysian system
Okay.
using by other cinema like a GSC, TGV.
Yeah.
Uh, so because another system is using Lotus are using India system, and Poland system are
Okay.
much more cheaper than other system. That's why they choose a Poland system, Positive,
Okay. Thank you,
for
sir.
renewal and that kind of system.
Okay. I will pass. Yes, sir. Continue. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
You can pass to other person.
Okay. My next friend. My yeah. I will pass the next to my friends.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Narin, can you please explain the usage of the information system within the company?
I can't hear you. Can you? I can't hear you.
Can you please explain the usage of the information system within the company?
Okay. For the meaning of usage, I think the system are using usage of 24 hours, or how the usage you are meaning?
So it's like how uh that system is used for like maybe some of the company they use one system only for the handle complaint, and some of the company using another system to like in hotel they use like to what assign the booking system like that.
Oh, okay.
So for yeah.
I think the company are using usage everything. I think for overall, they are using the positive system.
Okay, is it for like the purchase, the booking tickets, or like to play the screen, for example, like that? What is it to control the things?
Okay,
Yeah.
positive system normally used for purchase ticket, booking online, and you
Okay.
can now mostly we are introducing is cashless and
Yeah.
positive.
Yeah.
We are going into cashless. So easy for you can buy through F&B item like a
Okay.
popcorn, everything. And for
Yeah.
cinema movie playing, we can use from office only. We cannot enter the projector.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, the next question.
Okay.
How long the system can be used, and do the system need to update time to time?
Okay. Normally all the system are not only positive. For most of the cinema system, we have time limit for 1 year. You have to be renewable process for 1 year. So it's like you have to renewable payment. We have to pay to the system provider. So every year there will be a update system. So like our cinema like want to introduce like cashless. They want to introduce anything, any reports they want to introduce. They have to make a payment to the service provider like positive. So then only they will make changes in the system.
Okay, sir. Do you need the information system in all departments?
Yes, exactly. We actually need information system in every department because it's connected to our HQ. So then only they can log in to every each and department. So we got a certain department. I'll let you know now. So main thing is back office for the managers using the computer. Second department is selling ticket. You know, right? The box office. And third department is F&B side. So all the food items they're selling, everything. And fifth department is checkpoint. So now they can log in into the every each and department. So easy to our HQ track down anything like misbehavior, problems, like that.
Okay, Mr. Narin. For the next question is, what type of software and hardware used for daily operation and management?
Mm, okay, main software is positive, and definitely Microsoft. We are using Microsoft to the positive, and hardware we only use HP and Dell because others hardware we cannot use because Poland are using only HP for this software. So backup server mainly used for HP only. So they cannot use other software like using like a Dell or other brands, Sony like that.
Okay, next question is, can you please name the departments that the system connected to?
Okay, again, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll come from our HQ. Okay, the department connected to our main is IT department. Second is our programming department. Programming are the one dealing with the online booking, movie ticket purchasing, and movie handling everything. They are the one handling. And third department is our F&B department at HQ. They are the one handling our food item, recipe, and ordering, every single thing, they are the one handling.
Okay. Next question is how this system may benefit the company?
Okay. The system, actually, the system benefit through because the only thing is we got one report called as a pivot. Pivot, we get okay. Like the only positive can track down the pivot report. Pivot report means they can log in without our manager's knowledge. So that's the only benefit I think positive.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Narin. I will pass
Okay.
to my friends.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Nadine.
Yes.
Next question. What is the challenge of using the information system in the company?
Okay. Actually, the challenge we have to every time each and every problem we are facing in the system. So we have to deal with the pollen IT department. So any problem, sometimes most of the pollen IT department they don't know English. So that's the main challenges we are facing because normally what they are telling we don't understand. So we deal with like a webcam only, Google Meet. So, but the problem is whenever we tell the problem, sometimes they take times. They cannot settle on the time because of the language problem. That's the main thing.
Okay, I see. Next
Okay.
question. Okay. Uh, can you explain what is the positive and negative impact of using this information system?
Okay. Positive, I think, impact from our system is mostly not for the cinema side. The positive is from our HQ side because HQ can log in without the manager's knowledge to our cinema computers because if you see they don't need any approval. Okay, because the system they can log in through without our approval, and they can access any report they want anytime. If let's say you the other software compared to other software like GAC using Vista, if let's say they want to log in, they need approval from the managers. But positive not like that. You can log in anytime to managers PC, to like a box office PC. It's called like a selling ticket. You can check the staff selling the ticket like not misbehave. They're not selling a children ticket to adult. Anything they can check from HQ. And the negative, I think only one thing I can tell you is pollen is counting everything FMB side. Okay, we got a recipe like anything we have to do the recipe right at FMB side like selling popcorn, the caramel, and the beef usage everything. Pollen counting in gram, not in kg. So we have to count every single item in gram. Previously we use India system like India system. I have used Vista and Nucifera for India system. Everything count in a kg, but pollen using count in a gram. So let's say gram, if you count how many zero you will come, it will take
For
very hard. Yeah, very very difficult. That's the main thing because if you do a monthly stock take and a weekly stock take, and we have to count and convert to gram, like a double work for the managers.
Okay. Next question. In your opinion, do you want to implement more advanced application of information system in your company in the near future?
Mm, exactly. I would like to tell that more advanced in counting report like gram, mainly that one. It will make it easy for managers and staff also. And mostly now I will tell that we already introduce most of the advanced system is cashless because now everyone prefer cashless. Cashless are more like our previous meeting. They already planned that uh, no in within 1 or 2 years, no more using cash, no more. So you will be using only cashless, and if you come to cinema, no more stuff. So you won't see any stuff there because currently because of MCO, we are having a pandemic, so we need staff to control the crowd, everything. But I think in future there will be no more staff handling any department. So you'll come and take your things like a own cashless system, like vending machine. They are already planned to introduce that kind of things. It will save cost and manpower.
Okay, that's all from me now. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Good evening, Mr. Naren. Can you hear me?
Good evening. Yeah.
Okay, my first question is, could you briefly explain how would you handle the situation if any error occurs in the system during the operation?
Okay. Uh, okay. I give you an example for yesterday. What happened to my cinema? Okay, one of the example. Okay. Once the system we updated in online through mobile app, so the customer wanted to purchase the ticket. The ticket the customer wanted to purchase, but the IT mistakenly didn't put adult ticket, and they only put children ticket and senior citizen ticket. So I think around 800 customer they purchase senior ticket. So the company were lost in ticket terms. So most of the customer wanted to come and print the ticket, right?
Mhm.
So they come and show they only can see senior citizen ticket. And there I face I think a lot of issue from customer because we have to change in the counter and they have to pay extra, and most of the customer don't want to pay. So we cannot, they say it's our mistake and the system mistake. Once like you are updated in the system, you cannot change. It will take a like time. You have to shut down the main server, and let's say if you lost, you lost because most of the customer they won't refund. That's the problem.
So regarding that example, I want to ask, so
Okay.
during this kind of situation, so how would you handle? So for example, what I mean is yesterday for that the person do want to refund, do want to pay extra. So how would
Okay.
you handle that situation? So you just leave it like that, or what you did?
Okay. The customer, some of the customer they understand. We do refund in our system, so we print back a new ticket for them. So new ticket for them, they have to pay extra money for that. And more, some of the customer they don't want to refund. So in that kind of situation, I'll have to let the customer go in. We cannot stop the customer.
Okay, thank you. My next question is, how easy is it for the employees to handle the system, and how
Okay.
efficient is it?
I think employee. Okay, the staff. I think the staff is easy for the staff because now the system you can sell the ticket and purchase the F&B item. checking online, refund, everything they can handle by themselves in the India's post mix. We call as a post mix for the staff handle PC. So I think it's more friendly for them because previous last time we cannot they cannot handle everything. The managers have to come and give the approval, give our password to most of the refund, change password, everything. Now no more already. So they can handle by themselves. We already give the ID for them, password for them. So anything, it's everything they handle by themselves only. So easy for them.
Okay, thank you. My last question. Does this operation have any, does this operation have been only handled by this system or have any other option like backup system, something like that?
No, we only have this system, positive system. Let's say the system down or anything, definitely we cannot sell ticket. We cannot run cinema.
Hmm.
So we don't have any backup system.
Okay. So one more thing regarding that. So in
Okay.
case of anything like the system down or do you guys use manual like manually or anything else?
Yes. Okay. Most of the time we face internet problem. That's the most of the time we face because the system will down because of internet problem. So in that kind of situation, every single thing we'll do by manual. Ticket, F&B item, everything. So let's say some of the cinema, if you go, you can see they'll write down the ticket or chalk from the our office. They'll give you by manually. So they will tell like our system is down. So that time you have to accept because sometimes we cannot do anything. Most of the time the internet problem, so the system will be down.
Okay, okay, thank you. That's all from me.
Okay, you're welcome.
I think that's all from us, Mr. Nari.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much
Yeah, thank
for
you.
joining us tonight,
Okay, you're
and
welcome,
hope
Stephanie.
in your job in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Nari.
Nari.
You're welcome, and good luck for your assignment, everything.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Can we please take a picture?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hima. Hima can take the picture.
Actually, someone else have to do because my screen is different from yours because I'm sharing screen.
Tak apa, I buat
Okay.
screenshot. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Dah ke?